know that the universe is full of invisible wonders? Let's take a moment to consider some of the unseen elements of this vast cosmic expanse. Think about dark matter. It's a term you've probably heard, but what is it really? Dark matter is a kind of matter that we can't see directly with telescopes. It doesn't emit or absorb light or any other electromagnetic radiation, making it extremely hard to detect. Yet, scientists believe it makes up a whopping 85% of the matter in the universe. Then there are black holes, the strong silent types of the cosmos. These are areas in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. While we can't see them directly, we can infer their presence by observing the effects of their immense gravitational pull on surrounding matter. Now, let's consider an even more astounding fact. Scientists estimate that we can only observe about 5% of the universe. Yes, you heard that right, just 5%. The remaining 95% is made up of dark energy and dark matter, which remain invisible to our most sophisticated instruments. Dark energy is another enigma of the cosmos. It's the mysterious force that's driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. Despite making up about 70% of the universe, it remains largely undetectable and unknown. So, the universe we see, the stars, the galaxies, the cosmic dust, is just the proverbial tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface, in the shadows, lies a vast unseen universe, teeming with dark matter, black holes, and dark energy. In our quest for knowledge, we've uncovered many secrets of the universe, but we've also discovered that there is so much more we don't know, so much more that remains unseen, unobserved. So, next time you gaze at the night sky, remember that there's a lot more out there than meets the eye. Have you ever marveled at the complexity of your own body? It's a question that may seem a tad philosophical, but let's dive into it. Our bodies, these intricate machines, are nothing short of a marvel of engineering. Consider the human brain, for instance. This squishy 3-pound mass of tissue which sits at the top of our bodies is the ultimate control center. It manages everything from our physical movements to our emotional responses, from our ability to understand complex theories to our capacity to create and appreciate art. And it does all this while operating on the same amount of power as a 10-watt light bulb. That's right. The organ responsible for our consciousness, our memories, our very sense of self, uses less power than your average LED bulb. But the marvels don't stop there. Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of our bodies. A human body is composed of about 7 octillion atoms. Now, if you're wondering how many zeros there are in an octillion, it's 27. That's 7 followed by 27 zeros. To put that into perspective, that's more atoms than there are stars in the observable universe. We are, in essence, a walking, talking, thinking constellation of atoms. And these atoms aren't just haphazardly thrown together. They're meticulously arranged into cells, tissues, organs, and systems, each with a specific function working in harmony to keep us alive and well. The complexity and precision of this arrangement are nothing short of awe-inspiring. From the intricacies of our DNA, the blueprint of life itself, to the rhythmic beating of our hearts. From the silent efficiency of our kidneys to the strength and flexibility of our muscles. Every aspect of our body is a testament to the marvel of biological engineering. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is you. We are not just inhabitants of this universe. We are a universe within ourselves. It's quite intriguing to realize that we are a universe within ourselves. Scene script. Are you aware of the incredible abilities of some members of the animal kingdom? There's a whole world of hidden secrets and astonishing traits that these creatures possess. Let's dive into some of these fascinating facts. First off, let's talk about the industrious ants. These diminutive creatures are known for their unyielding work ethic. But did you know that ants never sleep? That's right, they're always on the move, working relentlessly day in, day out, without ever taking a nap. Imagine the mountains they could move if they were our size. Next, let's take a leap into the ocean and meet the largest animal ever known to have existed, the blue whale. These majestic creatures are not only famous for their immense size, but also for their tongues. The tongue of a blue whale is so large that 50 people could comfortably stand on it. That's the size of a small classroom, all in the mouth of a single creature. It's truly mind-boggling. And now, we move to the slowest creatures on our planet, the snails. They may be slow movers, but did you know that a snail can sleep for 3 years? Yes, you heard it right. 3 whole years. While we humans are struggling to get a good night's sleep, these little creatures are mastering the art of the long nap. They go into a deep hibernation to survive harsh conditions, a secret survival strategy that's nothing short of amazing. From the tireless ants to the massive blue whales to the sleep-loving snails, the animal kingdom is filled with astonishing surprises. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity and adaptability, a reminder of how diverse and wonderfully complex our planet really is. It's clear that the animal kingdom holds some truly surprising secrets. Did you know that plants are far more complex than they appear? Yes, you heard it right. Plants, those silent, stationary beings we often overlook, possess an intricate world of their own. Let's delve into the fascinating realm of plants. To start with, did you know plants have a sibling preference? It sounds like a plot twist from a botanical soap opera, but it's true. Research shows that some plants can indeed recognize their siblings. These plants, when grown in the same pot with their siblings, tend not to compete aggressively for resources. Instead, they seem to give their siblings preferential treatment, showing an astonishing level of kin recognition. But the world of plants doesn't stop at sibling love. It seems they also have a knack for communication. What if I told you that trees, those towering giants of the plant kingdom, can communicate with each other? And not just in a metaphorical sense. They actually use a network of fungi in the soil, known as mycorrhizal networks. These networks function somewhat like the internet for trees, allowing them to share information and resources. For example, when a tree is attacked by pests, it can send a chemical signal through this network, alerting other trees of the danger. Those trees, in turn, can ramp up their production of defensive chemicals in response to the warning. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. It's happening right beneath our feet, in the quiet, unassuming world of plants. The complexity of plants is truly astounding. They have evolved to survive and thrive in diverse environments, exhibiting behaviors that are nothing short of remarkable. From recognizing siblings to communicating threats, plants have a life far more intricate and intelligent than we ever imagined. So, the next time you pass by a tree or a plant, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye. Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the oceans? The depths of the sea are a realm of mystery and wonder, a world where sunlight barely penetrates and strange creatures dwell. It's a vast, uncharted territory with 95% of it remaining unexplored. Yes, you heard that right, 95%. That's like an entire universe right here on our own planet, hidden under the waves. And it's not just about the myriad of undiscovered species lurking in the deep. The ocean floors are a treasure trove of artifacts, more than all the world's museums combined. From ancient shipwrecks to lost cities, the ocean's depths hold secrets of our past, waiting to be uncovered. The oceans are also home to the deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench. This underwater canyon plunges to a depth of over 7 miles. To give you an idea of the immense pressure at these depths, imagine having about 50 jumbo jets piled on top of you. That's the kind of pressure we're talking about, and yet, life thrives even in these extreme conditions. The ocean is also the lifeblood of our planet, regulating temperature and producing over 50% of the world's oxygen. It's the ultimate life support system, a global conveyor belt of currents circulating water and nutrients, supporting a complex web of life. From microscopic plankton to colossal whales, from vibrant coral reefs to dark, alien-like deep-sea creatures, the ocean is a world of staggering diversity and beauty. It's a world that challenges our understanding of life and survival, a world that pushes the boundaries of what we think is possible. The oceans, it seems, are full of unexplored mysteries and wonders. So, next time you gaze out at the vast expanse of water, remember that beneath the surface lies a world waiting to be explored, a world that continues to surprise and amaze us with its depth of secrets and marvels.